All right, continuing down the journey of lever locks. So I just picked this Easy Jackson's cabinet one, 2-lever. Well, this is another 2-lever lock. This is a Union secure 2-lever. Here's our key. It's got a little pipe key. It's got a little slidey up cover. Goes in, feels like zero resistance. The shackle opens. Back in, go back up, and we're locked. Try not to wobble everything too hard. All right, so we're locked. I'm going to put this bit of wiper insert. This one happens to be a terrible attempt at a city rake, but ignore that end. Down here on the top of the shackle, that applies a bit of pressure direct to the bolt. So if we hold the cover up, and we slide in here with my terrible meat skewer lever. We slide in here. We'd be able to gently wiggle around. We might have got it. No, haven't got it yet. Did hit something. If we No, haven't got it yet. Oop. Just nudge something then. No. So the thing is, I've picked this like a few times, and at no stage have I really felt I knew what I was doing. Just sort of wiggling stuff around, and then sometimes it opens like so. So if you look down there, there's that just a hole. And let's get some real light. Oh, wiggle the camera. Oh, can we? You really can't see there. I need to get a small torch for doing videos. So if I put the key in and lock it, you can see, oh my god, the lighting is terrible. Oh, hopefully that yelling from next door is not too bloody noisy. Oh, there you go. You can just see that bolt down there on the side. Yep. Anyway, that's what we're applying tension to, is that directly. You could also do it with this wire on the inside. You can sort of find it at the back and pull across it, but it does take up some of the keyway space. Yeah, it's a bit more awkward. But anyway, there we go. That's a 2-lever Union lock, which is quite a nice little padlock. Nice that it's got a key. Brass is really shiny. You know, it's probably not even original, but I like it anyway. So there's that one more lever lock down.